Hey everybody. Well, this is part 3 on the same little spot here in my community. This is where the shortcut is that connects one street to the other. And today we think we're going to find out what that dead animal is. I'm not looking forward to that. But now I don't smell it. You say can you smell it from here? I can't smell it. You know, my father, when he got older, could not smell. So maybe I have the same thing he has, which in this case is good. Although at night, I can smell the fires going near my house, and I think I smelled somebody cooking something last night. But today, I don't smell it. So today we hope to uncover what the dead animal is. We have a shovel, so we hope to bury it. Not with full military honors, but we hope to bury it and relieve this neighborhood of that awful smell. So thanks for coming back, and I'll turn this over to GoodSon so he can start filming and we can see the transformation. We filled up on the way over here. This was empty when we left my house. We already almost have to. I really want to finish today, and we may have to take one or two of these buckets, take them to my house, empty them into my large trash can at home.